What's good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. I am your host, Big Dre, and today we're going to be talking about drum roll. Listen, you lot are just going to have to imagine a drum roll because the editing skills are there, but the patience is not there. In today's video, we're going to be talking about copymycrypto.com. Before we go any further, I want to encourage all of you to hit the like button. Our target for this video is to just get 5 likes. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells so you know whenever I release a new video. And make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because no one else is doing a review about copymycrypto.com. I'm going to be the only one. Now, copymycrypto.com was actually formed by someone called James. Now, I've been watching James for a little while. I've been studying him for a few months because you never know. These people could be scamming us. Could be a squid in disguise. You get me? These men could look like octopus, but they're squid. If you understood that reference, give yourself a pat on the back. If you didn't understand the reference. Now, personally, I've been watching James for a little while, so I've been keeping an eye on him because, as I said, you gotta make sure you're not getting scammed. So the first thing I was looking for was, is this guy consistently making videos talking about crypto, which he is. Does he have a proven track record? And unfortunately, there's nothing on YouTube, there's nothing else online that I can see from someone else talking about whether or not this guy is actually helping them. See, when you go on his website, you've got testimonials from people saying how they made 500k, 50k, 30k. But of course, it's a website. Websites are not hard to make. It's easy to just get a picture of a few people, pay them a few quid, and just tell them to take a picture of it. Besides the fact I think it's such a dangerous game to make 500k and you're gonna put up a big sign of your face with a piece of paper saying, yeah, I made 500k. Might as well just send you an address, mate. His YouTube channel is Crypto with James, and every day he posts like 3-4 videos and he talks about different coins. And the funny thing is, every coin that he mentions eventually does what he said it would. I'm just gonna fiddle with this thing again, everybody. Now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my other phone and I'm just gonna screen record what I'm looking at on his website, Crypto with James, just so you lot can actually see what it says on his website. And as you guys will see, the testimonials of people holding their signs. So the first one, we've got my man. He said he invested 21.5k and he made 745,000. And he's saying, thank you, James. Of course, we don't know if that's true. But apparently, according to this testimonial, according to this picture, that's what my man's got. Looks like he needs a shave, bro. You could take some of that peas and make a shave, bro. Okay, so the next Donny we got, he's doing a little bit better. You can see, obviously, he's taken his earnings and actually got a decent shave. Alright, so you can see he invested 3,100 and made 57k. So we're just going to go through a little bit. If you know nothing about cryptocurrency, what you can actually do is invest in someone who actually does. And so he said he's made 92 videos just to help regular people retire early. Alright, so let's keep scrolling through. And now this is it, where he says, had you put £100 into each, you would now have 35,000. So what he's talking about is, he mentioned 26 different cryptocurrencies, and he made a video on each of them. And had you invested £100 into each of them, when he initially made the video, you'd be up 35 grand. So he talks about Phantom, we know about VeChain, Engine, Chainlink's a good one, KuCoin. There's quite a few on there, Cosmo, XRP. Okay, cool, so there's the 26 coins that he speaks about. I'll leave it there, you lot can take a screenshot of it, I'm not gonna go through it. But he speaks about Phantom and he says, when he first mentioned it, he spoke about it in 2020 and said it's one of the best cryptocurrencies of that year. And it was worth half a cent. It went up 168 times and is worth 84 cents at the time that he posted this, which was on the 25th of February 2021. Now guys, I'm not going to read through this whole thing because that's going to take a while. You can pause the video at any point, or you can just jump straight into the link in the description and go and visit his page for yourself. So as you see, he's talking about different things. But me, I want to know about the paper. I want to know about the papers. So you get straight into the nitty gritty now. So now he's talking about how much it costs to invest into his project or to invest with him. Okay, now we're going through the testimonials again. Now looking through this, I know my audience is quite young, so a lot of you don't have this sort of money to invest. You might have 1,300 quid, aka 1,300, but I know a majority of you don't have that sort of money lying around. To finish off this video, we're just going to look at the payment system. And so as we see, it's a Visa debit. It would have been better if he made something like PayPal, MoneyGram, something like that where your money's a little bit more protected, but been around for a few months and I've been watching him for a while, so if this guy's a scammer, he's a bloody good one. So as I said, guys, I know most of my audience is very young and you don't have that sort of money lying around to invest into crypto. You have probably like 100, maybe 200 quid to invest. So what we'll do, instead of trying to put in this whole load of crazy money, what we'll do a very short series and then see what we can turn that into over the course of time. So guys, stay tuned for that. It's been your boy Big Dre. Another video coming very, very shortly, and we've been talking about Boss Token. And we got some secret info, you get me, because I've been speaking to Mr. Zero waiting, and he's given me something which I need to share with you guys, you get me. So it's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe.